The festival. Are you planning to go to the beach this summer? Do you like getting dirty? If you answer yes to both questions, Daecheon Beach is the place for you. Daecheon Beach is located along the west coast near the small city of Boryong. It is just 100 kilometers west of Daejeon. It's usually a calm place, but that all changes at the end of July every year. Daecheon Beach hosts the Boryong Mud Festival. Thousands of beachgoers head there to enjoy a different kind of beach, a muddy one. When we think of a beach, we usually think of white sand. Daecheon Beach has white sand, but it is covered with mud from the West Sea. The mud contains several minerals that are good for the skin. It's also a great way to cool down on a hot day. There are many things to do at Boryong Mud Festival. Almost all of the activities require you to get your hands dirty. For once, your mother will be telling you to get dirty. 19 years of mud. 1998. The festival is started by the local government to promote the health benefits of its mud. Most of the people are local residents. 1999. The organizers add a mud sliding contest and rodeo to attract more tourists. Almost 90% of visitors are tourists. 2000. The festival becomes a smash hit, attracting more than 500,000 people. The Mud Beauty Contest is one of many popular new attractions. The Ministry of Culture and Tourism officially authorized the festival. 2004. Public TV station broadcast portion of the festival, helping it gain more national recognition. It is awarded the Best Citizen Product Award and Regional Innovation Award. 2005. Jennifer Hawkins was crowned Miss Universe in 2004, takes off her crown and gets down and dirty as the festival's goodwill ambassador.